Introducing affiliate marketing, brick by brick. How I made $10,000 in affiliate sales in 6 months, by Rio Ruiz. Rio Ruiz is just a hustler, showing folks how to make money from their phone with affiliate marketing. He was able to quit his full-time job in 9 months, because of affiliate, digital marketing. Time freedom is everything. Are you looking for another way to make extra money from your phone? Are you interested in affiliate marketing or just getting started? Are you sick of your 9-to-5 job? Do you need a way to make money while you sleep? Do you feel like you're worth more than what you're getting paid at your job? Do you like helping people level up? Are you an affiliate marketer now but struggling to get sales? Or are you just wanting to learn more knowledge on affiliate marketing to get better? If you answered yes to all or most of those questions, you need to take action now. Learn how he was able to start and scale to $10,000 plus in affiliate sales in 6 months, with a small following on Twitter and Instagram. 50% affiliate commissions opportunity. Make your money back with 2 affiliate sales when you affiliate for this course. Everything else is profit for you. Start today by clicking the link in the description below and start changing your income and your life.